The Woodenhouse Teak wood spoon set provides a thoughtfully varied collection of 10 utensils that cover everyday cooking tasks from stirring sauces to serving pasta and salad. Each piece is carved from a single block of natural teak wood, giving the set a solid feel, a smooth finish, and an attractive grain that holds up well with regular use. The utensils glide easily across nonstick cookware without scratching, making them a safer long-term choice than metal tools for preserving pan coatings. Handles are shaped for a comfortable grip, so stirring thicker dishes or ladling soup feels controlled and secure even during longer cooking sessions. The wood surface releases food easily and rinses clean with warm soapy water, and the fully wooden construction avoids the plastic waste associated with many modern utensil sets. Because teak is naturally dense and non-reactive, these spoons do not impart off flavors or chemical notes, keeping the focus on the taste of the food itself.